Let's solve x squared minus 3x minus 4 equals 0 with the quadratic formula. There are 3 steps. Let's first find the numbers a, b, and c. We can rewrite our equation as 1x squared plus negative 3x plus negative 4 is equal to 0. And then we see that a is equal to 1, b is equal to negative 3, and c is equal to negative 4. Let's now plug a, b, and c into the quadratic formula. We'll replace the a's with 1, the b's with negative 3, and the c's with negative 4. And now let's simplify. We'll simplify this formula piece by piece. The negative of negative 3 is 3. On the bottom we have 2 times 1, which simplifies to 2. Now inside the radical, let's start with negative 3 squared, which is 9. Then 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times negative 4 is negative 16. 9 minus negative 16 is equal to 25. The square root of 25 is 5. And now let's break up the plus and minus into 2 answers. Let's simplify each answer. So 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4. So our first answer is x is equal to 4. For our second solution, we see that 3 minus 5 is equal to negative 2. And then negative 2 over 2 is equal to negative 1. So the final answer is x is equal to 4, or x is equal to negative 1.